In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shadow to object in Photopea. We'll create a clean, realistic shadow effect using the inner shadow layer style, which is perfect for adding depth and making your subject feel grounded without complicated selections. First, head to photopea.com in your browser. Photopea runs entirely online, so there's nothing to install, and it works a lot like other professional editors. Once the workspace loads, click Open from Computer. This will bring up your file picker. Choose the image you want to work with and open it. You should now see your photo on the canvas, and in the Layers panel on the right, you'll see a layer labeled Background or the name of your image layer. Next, in the Layers panel, right-click on the background layer. From the menu that appears, choose Blending Options. This opens the Layer Style dialog, where all the non-destructive visual effects live. These effects don't permanently change your pixels, so you can tweak them anytime. Inside the Layer Style window, click Inner Shadow on the left. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a subtle shadow appear on your image. Inner shadow draws shading inward from the edges of the selected layer, which is great for adding depth to the perimeter of an object or creating a soft vignette-like edge on the current layer. Now adjust the settings to taste. Set the blend mode. Multiply is a reliable choice for realistic darkening. Pick a shadow color. Pure black can be harsh, so consider a very dark gray that matches your image's tones. Increase or decrease opacity to control intensity. Use the angle to set the light direction. This determines where the shadow appears to fall from. Distance controls how far the shadow travels inward, while choke tightens the edge of the shadow and size softens it. Small size values create crisp edges, larger values produce a gentle fade. Keep your preview turned on so you can watch changes live on your canvas and make small adjustments until it feels natural. Subtlety usually looks more professional. When you're happy, click OK to apply. Back in the main workspace, you should now see a more dimensional look, with the edges gently shaded to add depth to your object or background. If the effect feels too heavy, you can always reopen blending options and dial it back, or even lower the entire layer's fill or opacity for a softer result. That's it. You've added a clean, controllable shadow using inner shadow in Photopea, giving your design a polished, realistic finish without altering the original image.